this broken?
Yes, the police car is broken. He needs help getting to the place where he can get a car fixed. You gonna tow the police car?
Yeah. To the fixing place. Go to the fixing place.
I think the fixing place is over by the couch.
Yeah, fixing place is over by the couch. Let's turn back. The man's gonna get out to the front and fix the police car. It's fixed with tape.
I don't know if tape would work very well. He might need to use tools and maybe replace some of the parts in the car. What do you think?
Yeah. What do you think? Is this broken?
Yeah, the car is broken.
Does it need gas?
Maybe.
It doesn't need gas, it needs tools.
Yeah, probably just needs tools. But sometimes when cars break down, it's because they don't have gas.
When cars break down, they need drills that drill the cars.
Yeah, drilling holes in the car would definitely help make them better. Are you going to fix the car?
The man is gonna come out the tow truck and fix the police car with the drill with the police car.
Oh, well, he needs a drill.
Yeah, he's gonna get a drill.
Where's he gonna get one?
His house.
Oh.
He's gonna use Daddy's drill.
Oh. And drilling holes in the car is gonna help how?
Yeah.
Did he fix it?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
He's getting a drill. He's getting a drill to fix the police car. It's broken.
Uh-huh. So what's he doing right now?
He's getting a drill to drill the car.
Oh, okay.
Make it help feel all better.
Oh, yeah.
To help it feel fixed.
What's the policeman doing?
He's fixing the police car with Daddy's drill.
Well, the policeman's not fixing the car. The policeman's just waiting, isn't he? Is he being patient?
Yeah, he's waiting patient. He's waiting patient for the air to come on. And then he can get out and get Daddy's drill to drill the car.
Oh. Maybe while he's waiting, he can build a fence.
The fence is too big for here.
You're right, the tow truck wouldn't fit in it.
Yeah. He can get out and build a fence though.
Yeah? Can you show the camera the fence that you built with the clothespins? Yeah. Where's the dog that goes in it?
Here's the fell when I hurt myself.
Is the car fixed now?
No, not yet. The man has a way to fix the car.
Hans, can you tell me why you don't have a shirt on?
I don't have a shirt on right now.
Why not? What happened to your shirt?
It's dirty. It had rain on it.
Yeah, when we were walking home from the store, what happened? Was it raining really hard?
Yeah, it was raining on my shirt.
Mm-hmm.
It got wet. So I took it off and I carried it upstairs and put it in my room on the green chair.
Good. Is it going to dry on the green chair?
Yeah. It's going to dry for me and then I put it back on. Then you will bend it.
Yep.
the tow truck fixed yet?
Is it fixed yet?
No. The man has to wait to fix the police car.
Man, quite the turnaround time.
What?
Quite a lengthy turnaround time. Okay, well, we're gonna leave the poor policeman without a fixed truck. We're gonna have to say bye.
No, we're not.
Can you say bye to the camera?
No.
Say bye.